Hello everyone, this is Volvopedia guy. We have an XC60 with a self park assist. So we're gonna see how it goes. It has the features right here. Park in. So the car should scan. It says scanning right. Keep close to spots, continue forward and follow instructions. So I'm gonna drive straight. And the car should tell me if it finds its spot. Here we have an open space. Let's see if it recognize it. There it goes. Continue forward and follow instructions. I'm gonna go forward. Okay, so it's asking me for what type of parking, parallel or perpendicular. So it's perpendicular. Select reverse gear. Okay, I have it in reverse. No hands on the steering wheel. Reverse slowly. Steering wheel's moving. I have my foot on the brake pedal. I don't feel comfortable. It's kind of close, so I'm just gonna go forward. Just don't want to hit the car. It should tell you right here, like put it on drive, but just gonna do it before it tells me. Just want to be careful. You're in control of the car still, so it's my responsibility. There you go. It says parking, stop, and put in reverse. Okay, it's on reverse. I'm braking slowly. And complete. So this is the way it works. I mean, I like it, but still, you gotta be careful. I just don't trust it 100%. You're in control of the car. Always be aware of your surroundings. And if you're not sure, like I said, just put it on the other gear. Car will go forward, and steering wheel will readjust. And it's pretty simple to do. I like it. Thank you guys, and have a great day.